Hope everyone's doing well. This is Jason, and I'm testing Android apps so you don't have to. Today, let's go to the wish list here. Today, let's see. I'm gonna pick an easy one. I'm gonna go with free music. Let's go to the page so we can check it out. All right, and as usual, this is all stuff you guys can do yourself. What I do is I install it, check it out, so you don't have to. You can check out my video and decide whether you want to mess with it or not, if it's one that you want. Because, like, free music, I mean, come on, look at all these music apps. Oh, that was quick. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Unlock screen, sure. All right. Wow. Okay. Let's go with some rock. There we go. No, don't want to add the playlist. Oh, this is a good one. Well, it was the best recording. I'm not sure if you guys could hear that or not because Android doesn't allow to record internally anymore. But here you go. Let's see what we got. Local. Not sure what a lot of this is here. I mean, I know what the playlist is, genres, favorites, recent, equalizer. Oh, this is neat. And here we go with this really intrusive ad. See, I don't like these. Not the really intrusive ones. I mean, I get it. You know, you got to pay. Somebody's got to pay for somebody to put all this stuff together. But yeah, not that expensive, I don't think. There's better ways to do it. So this looks like it's about it. Let's go ahead and back out of here. And put it here. And drag it back. Yeah. Why is there two icons? That's kind of weird. Let's go ahead and fire it up again. There's another one. I'll do that one later. So yeah. I guess it just plays like a radio. So there you guys go. I'm going to leave you with this. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a short one. I should be getting another one up here in just a little bit. So, thanks for joining me. This is Android apps. Testing Android apps, so you don't have to. All right. You guys take it easy.